Hello everyone and welcome back to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your default currency on the Gemini Crypto Exchange app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gemini application on your device. And after you have logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, in order to change your currency, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and then scroll down and tap on Preferences. Now, within this page, you will see the default currency option. Tap on the arrow button at the right side and you can choose from the list of available currencies right away. Once you tap on your desired currency, when you go back to the home page, all of your assets and the values will be shown within your chosen currency. You can change this at any point of time by once again following the same steps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the default currency on the Gemini Crypto Exchange app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.